Welcome to the Maxis 360 Avaya 1408 Usage Guide. Section 1. Overview. Adjustable height base. The 1408 has 8 buttons with an LCD screen interface. The display shows your extension number, time, and date. In the top right corner, the message waiting indicator. There are 3 soft keys below the screen to interact with options displayed on the screen. The 4-way navigation keys surround the OK key to navigate the options displayed on the screen. The message button to the left of the Navi keys is used to access voicemail if assigned. The phone exit key to the right of the Navi keys returns display to home screen from any other menu display. 8 call appearance buttons as well as other program features such as busy appearances and speed dials. Function keys surround the dial pad, contacts, call log, redial, transfer, conference, etc. Section 2. Function button overview. The menu key at the top left next to the number 1 key is used to access phone settings. Use arrow keys to Navi Options menu. Select and exit soft keys to enter a particular setting or exit the settings menu. Contact opens the contact list. Sort the list by using the right and left arrow keys between all, personal, external, users, and groups. You can scroll through the list by using the up and down arrow keys. You can also spell the name by using 2 through 9 to match a name. When the correct contact is displayed, press the call soft key to dial the contact. When you first enter the contacts menu, you can select a new soft key to enter a new personal contact. Be sure to enter a 9 before the number to access an outside line for dialing the new contact. Call log opens a call log for your phone. You can use the right and left arrow keys to sort the list between all, missed, answered, and outgoing. The call log button will light up red when you have missed a call. Redial opens a list of the last 10 numbers that you have called. Both internal and external calls will be listed. When the correct call is displayed, press the call soft key to dial the number again. Pressing redial twice would immediately dial the very last number that you called. The speaker button activates and deactivates the speakerphone function of the telephone. To place a speakerphone call, you simply start dialing or press the speaker button, then dial. To disconnect a speakerphone call, press the speaker button again. The speaker button will light red when the feature is active. To switch from using the handset to use the speakerphone, simply press the speaker button before placing the handset in the cradle. To switch back again, simply pick up the handset from the cradle again. The mute button mutes the microphone for either the handset or the speakerphone, depending on which you are actively using at the time. When you switch from the handset to the speakerphone, or vice versa, the mute feature will deactivate, and you will have to select the mute button to reactivate it for the call. The volume keys control the volume for all functions of the phone, depending on what is active at the time. When the phone is idle, the volume controls the ring volume for the set. When you are active on speakerphone, it controls the speaker volume. When active on the handset, it controls the handset volume. It does not control your outbound volume. Headset activates and deactivates the headset port if used in conjunction with an additional headset. It functions the same way that the speaker button does for switching to, deactivating hanging up, or activating going off hook on the headset when controlling it from the telephone set. Drop will let you drop any single party active call or any member of a conference call that you facilitated. Just press the drop key and use the up and down arrow keys to display the particular party that you want to drop. Then press the drop soft key shown in the display. Transfer lets you transfer a call to another destination, primarily another extension, but if administered, an external number as well. Keep in mind that if external transfers are allowed, 2 outside lines will be in use for the duration of the call. This can make you vulnerable to toll fraud if not careful. There are 2 types of transfer, blind and screened. Blind transfers are calls that are sent immediately without speaking to the recipient before releasing the call to them. To perform a blind transfer when active on a call, press the transfer key. The call will be placed on hold. You will see the first call appearance, red and green lights flash. You will hear dial tone and be active on the second call appearance. Then dial the extension that you want to send them to or select from the directory soft key function and press transfer again. The call will be immediately transferred to the destination. Screen transfers are calls that you announce to the destination before releasing the call to them. To perform a screen transfer, while active on a call, press the transfer key. The call will be placed on hold. You will see the first call appearance, red and green lights flash. Then dial the extension that you want to send them to or select from the directory soft key function and wait for the recipient to answer. You may then speak to the recipient before releasing the call to them. Notice you will be active on the second call appearance button. The red and green lights for the second call appearance button will be on solid. After you announce the call to the recipient, simply press the transfer button again or hang up and the call will be immediately connected to the recipient. If the recipient does not wish to receive the call or you need to send the call somewhere else, you can pick back up on the original call by pressing the first call appearance that is red and green flashing. Conference lets you add additional parties into your active call. To add callers while active on your original call, press the conference key. The original call will be placed on hold. You will see the first call appearance, red and green lights flash. You will hear dial tone and be active on the second call appearance. Then dial the number for the person that you wish to add to the call, whether it is an internal extension or external number. After the destination answers the second call, you can then press conference button to bring the additional party into the call. If you wish to add another party to the call, simply repeat the process again. Conference, place call, conference again to add them to the call. Hold places the caller on hold at your extension only. You will only be able to pick up the call at your extension. Press the hold key to place them on hold. While the call is on hold, you'll see that the call appearance button green light flashes. To pick up the call, simply press the call appearance button that is green flashing and you will be connected again. Section 3. Placing and receiving phone calls. To place a call, simply start dialing with the keypad. You will be automatically connected to the first call appearance and activate speakerphone. To place an external call, you must dial 9 first and then the number. You may also go into contacts and place the call from there as well as the call log and redial as described previously. When receiving a call, you may press the arrow soft keys to select ignore or to voicemail soft keys. Section 4. Voicemail. To access voicemail, press the Message button. You will then have a menu shown in the display that you can navigate using the arrow keys. The first option is Listen, with a number of new, old, and saved messages shown. You can press Select to listen to the messages. Just use the up and down arrow keys to scroll through the new, old, or saved message options. Press Select Soft key to enter the message list, then Listen Soft key to play the first message. While the message is playing, you can press the More Soft key to save or delete the message. The next option is Message, which is used to record a message to send to another voicemail user. The next option is Greeting, which is where you set up your personal mailbox greeting. You may press Listen to hear the current greeting or Record to create a new greeting. When creating a new greeting, be sure to select the More Soft key and then the Submit Soft key to save the new greeting. The next option is Passcode, to set a password on your mailbox. A password is required if you will be accessing your mailbox remotely. To initialize your voicemail and to be available for dial-by-name access, you must record your name. To record your name, you must dial from your own extension to *89#. You will hear a menu that says, to hear your message, press 1. To record your message, press 2. To save your message, press 3. Press 2 and record your name only. Press 2 again to stop recording. You will hear the prompt again, and you can select 1 to listen to your recorded name, or you may select 3 to save the recorded name.